Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out that link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we tried to break above the exponential moving average after finding support here at the 22 level. We got that third test confirmation for that continuation, but you can see that we failed to break above that exponential moving average. We mentioned that pretty much it can be the same exact move that we saw over here. We saw this move above, try to break that level, continue pushing lower, and then that continuation on that 4 hour. Now though, things are looking a little bit more different because of the fact that we can see that we have found a decent support level here at the 23 mark, and now we're trading above the exponential moving averages and looking to see a break. Before, the exponential moving averages were pushing lower and lower, but now it looks like we have finally stabilized and can be possibly looking for a much larger move on Luna Classic to actually pump above. Now of course, this would be invalidated if we can't break above this level here at the 23 and we continue pushing back down to the support level. If the support level is broken, we will be invalidating that move, right? Because then we possibly will be entering that area of that bar formation down here at the 18 mark. But looking at the chart here on the overall for 4 hours, it definitely looks ready for a small little pump, or at least a manipulation candle, possibly retesting those highs. I would definitely be looking for that long entry right now, only waiting for that pullback opportunity, of course, to get that confirmation, because right now you can see that we've only tested that exponential moving average once. We had that breakout formation. We're re-entering that area now. If we find this as support, find that consolidation, we can at least look for a take profit level here around the 24 to 25 mark. And of course, if we break above, we can definitely start looking for that area of 25, 26. Now, of course, over in terms of the RSI, we are in a pretty neutral territory, so there's quite a bit of room to move up. But this is probably the first time I've seen on Luna Classic after this massive dump opportunity. You can see that we kind of had the same situation up here around that 29 mark. We had this massive dump, we started to consolidate, the exponential averages started to look neutral, and then we had that pump hitting that resistance before finally breaking back down. Now we're seeing the same sort of formation where the exponential averages are starting to look more neutral, so we can definitely be possibly looking for a pump. I'm not saying it's going to be hitting to that 29 mark. Of course, we look at what the chart is offering us right now, but it definitely looks like we are somewhat finding a local bottom here, possibly before we see another move to the upside and then continue pushing lower. Now, of course, on the lower time frames, you can see for Luna Classic a much better understanding. We had this beautiful 1 hour pump. We had this massive move to the upside, but we're still not in that area of that entering for that long position. Ideally, on the 1 hour time frame, I would like to see a retest of these exponential moving averages, find them as support, and then that continuation. But guys, look at this. Pay close attention to this. You can see that we are creating a support level right here around that 23 mark perfectly. We've tested this level multiple times on the hourly. You can see we've had almost 10 tests at the level overall, and now it looks like the bulls are holding this level quite strong to possibly be looking at a move like this, hitting that 25, coming back down, and then a continuation pattern. Now, of course, on the overall 4 hour time frame, if that 22 mark is broken, we still want to be focusing more on that bar formation because of the fact that you can see on Luna Classic we had this massive move right over here with the Binance news and continue pushing higher. And the thing about this pair specifically is the fact that any sort of news can make this pair extremely volatile, right? So that's what we have to be careful about. You don't want to get caught on the wrong end of things if there is a massive pump, because the pumps can be extremely large. This was a 4 hour candle, guys. This wasn't a daily. That was on the 4 hour. You could see an extremely large move, continuation, and push forward. Now overall though, we still know that we are in this massive consolidation stage on Luna Classic, and you can see that pretty much every other price analysis on Luna before, we had this huge pump, we had to consolidate, then we continued pumping. This doesn't change the fact that we are not in that position to actually enter that short position right now, because of the fact that we can see that this is a very big consolidation once again. So it doesn't change the fact that we might see one more pump and possibly be hitting the overall levels, right? We have to look at what the charts tell us, and right now the charts are telling us that this is becoming a neutral territory. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.